I'm not doing it. Where are you going? Going in circles. Come here! Come here! Come here! Come to here!
See, Kristen. She wants to go look at herself because she loves
I
herself.
wanted to touch that because earlier we accidentally turned it on.
Oh, it was hot. Oh, face plant. I know, I need to get, do you have any toenail clippers?
Yeah, did I get it?
Sure.
It might be kind of big. But...
Where are you going, Keely?
And she likes to look at herself now and then.
Yes, she has a blast.
Oh, wait. Kind of jumbo size.
King of the castle, king of the castle.